Need a new charging station but don't know which one to get? Let's compare the Geekera to the Anchor. Both these charging stations will charge most phones with the case on. They also both charge AirPods if you have chargeable AirPods. The difference between the Geekera and the Anchor is that the Geekera can charge either two phones or a phone, a watch, and AirPods all at the same time, whereas the Anchor charging pad can only charge one device at a time. The Geekera is a fast charger. However, if you want a fast charger with the Anchor, you need to have a quick charge adapter, which is not included with the product. Otherwise, you can plug this Anchor charger into a USB port and it will charge at regular speed. If you're looking for something discreet, the Anchor charger has a much smaller footprint than the Geekera. All in all, these two chargers are great for different reasons. It just depends what exactly you're looking for. I hope this helps you make the right decision.